Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you are doing well at home. Now, children, today we are doing Unit 4 of the first chapter of History, French Revolution, and the name of fourth unit is The Reign of Terror. Now, children, first we have to clear the meaning of the reign. REIGN. The meaning of reign is rule. And why this rule is known as the reign of terror? Actually, children, in this time period, Maximilien Robespierre was the ruler of the France, and he made very severe policies and punishment for the people. That is why his rule or his reign is known as the reign of terror. Now, the period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the reign of terror. And Robespierre, who is the Robespierre? You know that we have already told about the leader of the Jacobean Club, Maximilien Robespierre. We are talking about Maximilien Robespierre only. That Maximilien Robespierre followed a policy of the severe control and punishment. People whom he saw to be the enemies of the republic were arrested, imprisoned, and then they were tried by the revolutionary tribunal. Those to be enemies were ex-nobles and clergy, member of other political parties, and etc. If the court found them guilty, अगर उनकी गलती पकड़ी जाती है, जो भी आपके रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ बोलते हैं या those who are talking about against the Maximilien Robespierre, if the court found them guilty, they were guillotine. Now, children, in next slide you can see the picture of guillotine. Actually, children, the guillotine, what was the guillotine? The guillotine was the machine with which the people were beheaded. Beheaded का मतलब होता है सिर काटना. दो पोल्स होते हैं, उन दो पोल के बीच में एक ब्लेड होता है और आदमी को उसके नीचे रखा जाता है और उसका सिर धड़ से अलग कर दिया जाता है. नाउ यू जस्ट सी दैट हाउ क्रूअल ही वाज, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिज दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क, दिस काइंड ऑफ क्रूअलिटी ही वाज नोन एज द, दैट इज वाई द टाइम पीरियड इज नोन एज द reign of terror. Now, Robespierre government issues many new laws. Meat and bread was rationed, and peasants were forced to sell their grains in cities with fixed price by the government. मतलब आप कोई भी चीज़ अपने हिसाब से नहीं बेच सकते. आपको जो प्राइसेस होंगे वो प्राइसेस भी आपको किसके अकॉर्डिंग करने होंगे? एज पर द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर. And peasants were forced to sell the grain in cities with prices fixed by the government only, and citizens were required to eat the pain d'égalité. Children, pain d'égalité is a French word, and the meaning of the pain d'égalité is equality bread. Children, here the meaning of the equality bread means he imposed on the people that you have to eat the equality bread. It doesn't mean that you are rich, then you will eat a good kind of bread or good kind of food you will eat, and if you are poor you will eat bad food or whatever. So he does not want to different the people. He want the equality, and to show the equality and to maintain the equality, what did he said that all the citizens were required to eat the equality bread. Now, new forms of speech were introduced. French men and women were called by the name of citoyen and citoyenne, means citizens. Churches were shut down. Children, here it is a misprint. Cut down is written. Actually, it is shut down. So, churches were shut down and were changes into offices and barracks. रॉबेस्पियरे सपोर्टर लॉस्ट फेथ इन हिम. अब जो रॉबेस्पियरे के जो खुद के सपोर्टर्स थे उनको भी अब उस पर विश्वास नहीं था और वो खुद भी चाहते थे कि हमें भी, इवन दे वर द people of the Robespierre, but later on they themselves fed up with the severe policies of the Robespierre. Finally, he was convicted by the court in July 1749 and he was also arrested, and he was later on sent to guillotine. लास्ट में उसको भी गुलेटाइन कर दिया गया, उसका भी सिर से धड़ अलग कर दिया गया. अब नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबेस्पियर. चिल्ड्रन, द जैकोबियन गवर्नमेंट फेल विद द कन्विक्शन ऑफ द रॉबेस्पियर. रॉबेस्पियर खत्म हुआ तो जो जैकोबियन गवर्नमेंट थी वो भी खत्म हो गई. नाउ who will take the power? The wealthier middle class then ceased to take the power. A new constitution was introduced, and according to new constitution, it provided 2 elected legislative council. ठीक है, 2 इलेक्टेड लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल बनी. द बर्थ ऑफ डायरेक्टरी टुक प्लेस मेड अप ऑफ 5 मेंबर्स. एक तरफ आपकी डायरेक्टरी थी जिसमें आपके 5 मेंबर्स थे. The 2 legislative council were introduced to curb the concentration of the power in one man executive like in Jacobean government. Actually, you know children that people were fed up with the power with the concentration of the power in one hand, and you also know when the power is given in a one hand and what happens, then the person can misuse that power. So to avoid this situation, 2 legislative council were introduced to curb. Children, here CURB, curb means to control the concentration of the power in one man executive like a Jacobean government. आपको पता है जैकोबियन गवर्नमेंट के टाइम पे मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबेस्पियर को पावर दी गई और ही मिसयूज दैट पावर. तो इसी सिचुएशन को अपोज करने के लिए 2 लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल बनाई गई. बट unfortunately, these 2 legislative council also did not work properly. The directors of the directory often clashed with the views of legislative council. एक तरफ आपकी डायरेक्टरी थी, एक तरफ आपकी लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल थी और दोनों के ही बीच में कुछ ना कुछ झगड़े चलते ही रहते थे. There was the clashes between the directory and the legislative council. So there was political instability in the directory, which paved way for the rise of military dictator नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. और नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने इस क्लैश का और इस इनस्टेबिलिटी का, जो फ्रांस में इनस्टेबिलिटी हुई थी, उसका एक अच्छा फ़ायदा उठाया और उसके लिए बहुत अच्छे से रास्ता साफ हो गया. किसके लिए? नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.